সম্প্ৰদায়ৰ লোক আছে তেওঁলোকক অসমৰ স্থায়ী নাগৰিকত্ব দিয়ে আৰু সেই বিষয়টোৱে আমাৰ লগত আলোচনা চলি আছে হাজঙৰ বিষয়টো ক'ৰ পৰা আহিলে কেনেকৈ আহিলে এই বিষয়টো মোৰ নলেজত নাই এতিয়া যদি কিবা তাত থাকিলেহেঁতেন অন্ততঃ মোৰটো নলেজত থাকিলেহেঁতেন গতিকে এইটো ৰাজনৈতিক প্ৰেক্ষাপটত তেওঁ এজন প্ৰাৰ্থী গতিকে অৰুণাচলৰ ৰাইজে ভাল পোৱা কিবা কথা তেওঁ ক'বলগীয়া হৈছে এইটো এটা পলিটিকেল ষ্টেটমেণ্ট ইলেকশ্যনৰ সময়ত পলিটিচিয়ানে দিয়া ষ্টেটমেণ্ট এখন ৰাজ্যৰ সেই ৰাজ্যৰ কিবা বাধ্যবাধকতাত তেওঁ দিয়া এটা ষ্টেটমেণ্ট সেইটোলৈ গুৱাহাটীত একেবাৰে জঁপিয়াই পৰাৰ কোনো মিনিং নাই এতিয়া ময়ো ইয়াত বহি যদি আমাৰ তেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ ইছ্যু থাকিলেহেঁতেন ময়ো ৰাইজে ভাল পোৱা কথা ক'লোহেঁতেন গতিকে কিবা যদি চিৰিয়াছ কথা থাকে সেইটোতো চৰকাৰ থাকোঁতে আলোচনা হ'ব না ইলেকশ্যন চলি থাকোঁতে কেনেকৈ আলোচনা হ'ব কিৰণ ৰিজিজু গৃহমন্ত্ৰী আছিল তেতিয়াতো এইটো কথা মোৰ লগত পতা নাই এতিয়া ইলেকশ্যন চলি আছে চবকে ভোট লাগে যোনে যেনেকৈ যি পাব ক'ব আৰু এইকেইটা দিন Congress has said that we will abolish CA. Congress has said that will not abolish or will not bring uniform civil code. Congress has said so many things which led me to believe that this manifesto is for the people of Pakistan, not for the people of India. Now this is my perception and I have shared my perception with our media friends.
And one particular Canada campaign, you have said like so exactly what does that mean?
I mean, he is a MP. He doesn't have a home there. You are 5 years. Already you have completed one term. So I ask people that Rahul Gandhi is having a residence here. They said no. Then I asked them, do you know his mobile number? They said no. Then I asked them, are you meeting him frequently? They said no. Then I asked them that Rahul come and stay in some friend's house or in some hotel. One MP is supposed to come at least 2-3 days in a month. They said no. Then all the criteria, only you can assume that he only come for filing nomination and one annual pilgrimage. So that is exactly looks like a tourist. So I told exactly what is in my mind, that your activity fit into a good, the characteristics of a good tourist, but it is not fit into a good MP. If you would have been an MP for Wayanad, at least your mobile number would have known to few people. At least you will have a residence. So I told whatever I feel like.
And what exactly the word for is best for the Papu? So what will you say on
I mean, today he said that I'll snatch resources from other and I'll distribute it to somebody else. So it's like Robin Hood. So I'll snatch resources from X and I'll give resource to Y. Now, whether Y will accept that resource or not, because people of India, they are hard laborer, they believe in dignity of labor, they believe on their own strength. Will they accept the money which you have snatched from others? So the way you talk about caste census among Hindu, but you don't talk caste census among Muslims. So you talk exactly like a Papu. So that is what I told in the Kerala meeting.
Join BSc Nursing and GNM at St. Martha Institute of Nursing, Guwahati under SM Group of Institutions.